A very good morning to everybody listening to this video. I'm Supraja Vaidyanathan, alumni of BVM Global at Perangudi from the batch 2019 to 20. And it is very safe to say that almost 1/3 of my life has passed in the school from grade 5 to grade 12. And the school has a major responsibility and a hand into shaping me into who I am today. So I'm really grateful for that. The first thing and foremost thing that was amazing about the school was because in previous schools that I studied in, I wasn't allowed to ask doubts, and any other doubts that I had were always put down or were saved for later, which never almost came. But here you could stop the teacher in the middle of the class and ask doubts and have quite a reputation like that, actually continuously asking questions and all. But in reality, it shaped my mind into how inquisitive I could be, and it told me that yes, it is okay to question what's happening, it's okay to question the norms, and if you don't have a proper answer, it is okay for you to go back and search for your answer. And that was a major eye opener for me because it had never happened before in any other class, and it was pretty good. The second thing is we have a really good student teacher ratio, which is also one of the major points relating to the first one, because if you have more students as compared to one teacher, they won't be able to give enough time to each and every student and cater to their needs. And here it is almost around 30 students per teacher in a class, and so everybody knows everybody, in fact everybody knows everybody in the entire school, and all the teachers know you by name and know you by what you are good at, know you by your strengths and know you by your weaknesses, and they know how to work on you. So because of that particular reason, a lot of people got a special attention and were allowed to grow in their own way and were allowed to explore their talents and their opportunities and develop on them, instead of giving a basic norm saying you have to study this, and if you are good only if you score in this particular point. It wasn't like that. We had a lot of extracurricular activities. And yeah, speaking of extracurricular activities, it's pretty wonderful because almost at least once in a month we used to run away to inter-school competitions, prepare an entire school team, have a lot of fun. But also, after coming to the school, I have participated in more competitions than ever, and this wasn't an opportunity that was given to me before. And I made sure that I used this opportunity completely by going to almost every single competition. And the kind of exposure that you get by going to, say, a single day trip to a competition is so much more than sitting in school and probably reading theory about the same thing. Speaking of which, we also conducted Bhavyam, which was our school's first inter-school competition, and we hosted around 10 schools to come. And the thing was, the team that comprised of the management of the entire event was an all-student team, which means we had to do everything from designing the invite to setting up the events that were going to happen, to setting up rooms and the particulars. It went down to the major details of an event conducting, from getting the sponsors to having food stalls over to inviting schools to making the invites. And it was a major experience for me and my entire team. And let's just say that in those 2 months, we learned more about how the entire world, not the entire world, but how the society worked, and how, you make things happen and how you manage an entire event, the entire micromanaging to look at the bigger picture in those 2 months than, say, in anything else. This also includes the conduction of the project day, of the annual day, and major school events, wherein the children are requested or are wanted to do it on their own, conduct all the events on their own, and learn things instead of having everything spoon fed to them, which is, again, a really amazing fact. Also, the kind of learning that takes place over here was very beneficial to me as a person, because rote memory is not something I'm very comfortable with. And the only thing that they see here is how much you can relate to a concept, and how much you actually understand, and how much you actually take away from a concept, rather than say memorizing your entire textbook and reproducing it word for word in your paper. And in fact, reproducing things word for word in your paper is actually looked down on, rather than actually writing it in your own words and understanding how things work by yourself. There's also like another thing that I would like to add, that despite all of these major things that happen, and which obviously shape you into who you are, kind of thing, even the small things count. And it's very interesting because I don't think a lot of people in a lot of schools do this, and neither do a lot of classmates do this. Is when you are visibly feeling low or when you're down, they will write small notes of encouragement saying, keep smiling, be happy, all of that. And it actually absolutely makes your day. And especially if a teacher who is, not as much as a teacher as they are your friends, because you can be so open with them, they call you out and, privately, and then they tell you, like, you are capable of this and you are amazing at this, don't give up. Or they notice that you have a particular talent for something, and they call you out and say, you know what, I really appreciate you doing that, and just keep up with it, and do not ever let this go, because it is an amazing talent you have, and cultivate the talent. And it is a very very rewarding experience, in my opinion. Also, it is really instrumental in cultivating certain values, such as your desire to give back to the society, and the desire to actually do something meaningful in life, and to make others happy around you, and to make others have some sort of value instilled in them by you. And that is something we all need to strive for, and that is something that has been inculcated in me since time immemorial. And it would be really beneficial if people did that more often. Overall, it was an amazing experience, and I would definitely miss school, and I still can't believe that I've become an alumni, and mostly considering college hasn't started yet. But I wish I could go back and relive those days, and also the pre-COVID days for that matter. So to conclude, just let me just tell you that please stay safe, please take the ample precautions, and take care of yourself. And I'll see you guys again later. Bye.